I'm talking about the general calendar, which means
your girlfriend.
the no. What a girlfriend, bro? No. What I'm talking about is general calendar, bro. It's the calendar. It's the dates or whatever.
In the academic.
What? I already said that I'm not talking about academics.
No. Actually, you're talking about your girlfriend.
No, I'm not talking about my girlfriend, bro.
Wait. Let me say something.
Okay.
What are you? Actually, you're talking about your girlfriend moving to third year to fourth year. Actually, that's a academic dates or academic calendar. So you're talking about academics school year. So it means that your girlfriend will move to fourth year in the next
School year.
You are talking about that. You are not talking about a general year, which means next year is January.
So what I'm saying is, bro, before I let you finish, no? Okay? Before I let you finish, where does academic calendar depends on?
Academic calendar depends on when the academic starts and when it will end. Academic calendar consists of the list of events. Consists of list of events that is in the academic year, not the general year.
Okay.
General year composed of January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. That is the general year. We're talking about academic year. When the academic starts and when it will end.